Following European settlement in the late 18th century, the area that became rolling fields was transformed into fertile farmland, emblematic of Kentucky's bluegrass region. By the early 19th century, it was fully integrated into local agriculture, with vast fields supporting crops and livestock, laying the groundwork for its pastoral identity. Veitch family ownership. For over a century starting around the 1800s, the land was owned and operated as a large family farm by the Veitch family, prominent early settlers in Jefferson County. This era defined the region's rural character, with the farm serving as a self-sustaining estate amid Kentucky's expanding frontier economy. Suburban development in the mid-20th century. In the 1940s and 1950s, portions of the Veitch farm were subdivided for residential use, spurred by post-World War II suburban growth near Louisville. Homes, primarily in colonial revival and ranch styles, were constructed on the rolling terrain, attracting affluent families seeking a blend of countryside charm and urban proximity. Incorporation as a city. Rolling Fields officially incorporated as a home rule class city on May 17, 1958, to manage its burgeoning community and preserve its semi-rural feel. This move aligned it with nearby enclaves like Indian Hills and Mockingbird Valley, all sharing services such as the Indian Hills Police Department, modern affluence and community evolution. By the 2000 census, Rolling Fields ranked as Kentucky's fifth wealthiest city by median household income, reflecting its upscale residential appeal. Today, with a population of around 709, it remains a tight-knit suburb focused on family life, green spaces, and historical preservation, while adapting to contemporary needs like high-speed connectivity and recreational amenities.